All right, we're just about 12 minutes before 12, and you hear about plastic surgery a lot. Chances are so much of what you're hearing is myths, because there's a lot of myths associated with it.
And joining us this morning to debunk those myths, world-renowned plastic surgeon from UH Case Medical Center, Dr. Bahman Guyuron. Welcome back to the show,
Hi, Doctor.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Good to see you.
Now, in your experience, have you seen people shy away from plastic surgery because they're just accepting these myths as facts?
Yes, unfortunately, they are very common, and unfortunately, they are accepted very commonly.
Okay, well, we have these myths, and we're going to start with most results last only 7 to 10 years.
That is not true.
Not true.
In fact, some of the professionals believe in that myth. The reality is that whatever we do, if we achieve 7, 10 years rejuvenation, is a lifetime change. What we're doing is turning the clock back, but never catches up. It keeps going forward. The person, compared to the peers, compared to the twin who never had a facelift, will look 7 to 10 years, 15 years younger.
Okay.
And we are talking more facial rejuvenation.
We were talking about
with the debunk.
In essence, it's a lifetime change.
Now, the next one, and I would think this, it's that it's extremely painful.
It really is not. In fact, we use the pain as an alarming sign to look into why the patient is having pain. We again talk about rejuvenation. Most of the time, the patients have numbness, which is temporary, it goes away. And if they have pain, we look into it to see if there's a complication. Generally, facial rejuvenation is not painful. The only one that used to be painful is the laser resurfacing, and I have invented a special dressing that we use that takes the pain away completely or almost completely.
That's amazing.
Wow.
We have some really awesome pictures to share, but before we do, the final myth that you hear a lot of is plastic surgery just for older people.
That is not true also.
Yeah.
In fact, the younger we start the rejuvenation, the better the results. And also the patients are healthier, the chance of complications are less. In fact, they're going to be enjoying the results for a longer period of time. And also, they look more natural because the changes are not drastic.
They're subtle,
People
aren't they?
People are not going to notice it. We have a special recommendation for each decade of life beyond 30s. The beginning of 30s will be the injections, fillers. For people older, we offer lifts and, again, fat injection, which is hot today, and some invasive, some less invasive modalities that are going to fulfill the needs of each person at any given decade.
Okay.
Before and after pictures, let's get right to it. One of these days, I'm probably going to be in these, but
This is a patient who had a forehead shortening, facelift, eyelid surgery, and neck contouring.
Wow.
And you can see the change in the neck.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we're gonna go through a few of these because they're unbelievable.
A patient who had a forehead lift, facelift, again neck contouring, and laser resurfacing.
Amazing, doctor.
Another
Wow.
patient. This patient had combination of opening the eyes. She had droopy eyes. You can see her eyes look more energetic. Facelift, fat injection, and laser resurfacing. Fat graft laser resurfacing. Yeah.
And that looks natural on the right-hand
really
side.
does.
Usually that extreme.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
But that is the key to the success. We want the patients to look natural. If the patient looks surgical,
That's not
then
good.
really we have failed.
Yeah.
And that's why I said he was world-renowned. Dr. Guyuron, Department of Plastic Surgery, UH Case Medical Center, 440-646-2173, or go to uhhospitals.org/plastics for more information. Doctor, thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you. Really good to see you. All right.